Resuming workout.
I feel like it's raining.
Let's go. Do you want to walk until we get to the park so he doesn't?
Probably so. So they already opted out of running with me.
Oh,
by walking.
Still running with us. It's starting to drizzle.
It is starting to drizzle. If it starts raining on us, I'll stick the camera in my cheeks. Wait, why is it all of a sudden raining?
As soon as we get out here,
like soon as we get out here.
It just starts raining.
Let's see what we get though.
Games. Now, Harper, we're not going to stop.
Really was trying to beat the rain. This is why I haven't, like the weather has been really permitting me from doing what I need to do. I'm trying to get this body together. And it just started raining on us for no goddamn reason.
Pausing workout.
Oh.
Feel the ground with your hand. No, like on my feet.
Resuming workout.
Come on, Harper, you and I are gonna. Oh. Well, at least I have the dog. So I can take it. Sydney and Mama, you're on Gator.
Pausing workout.
These bastards.
Music.
You leaning on the inside?
What? I'm just running.
All right, straighten it out. Use your toe. Lean forward.
Now with that one knee-high sock in.
It is, but we out here now.
Why, Lord Jesus? Let's just start running, please.
Like I said, we champions. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're happy. Okay, that didn't go as planned. I'm drying off. Now I'm full of freaking energy because I took my energy drink. Y'all notice how I'm all jittery? I took this before my workout. So now I gotta probably pop in a workout tape or something because the weather just won't let me be great.
How do you know that?
Gonna try this again. Once again.
He is as good as any guard in the
We're going to be part of
You don't need that, bro.
That's it. You don't need it, baby.
When it starts running, I'm going to run.
Why? If it's raining, why are you going there? It's not raining, is it?
Because I can't. She really wants to run in the rain. That's
No, she don't. That's why she was trying to bring her jacket. But she doesn't want to get wet. Okay. Fuck this run. My husband was like, go ahead, it didn't stop. Go ahead. Went out there. We was doing good. Cut the corner, cold wind came. And then next thing we know, it was rain. Right, Tony?
right.
Yeah, so now that we're officially wet, we have to dry. Look, I'm in a t-shirt and some slipper socks. Dried off and just was like, forget it. We didn't even take a shower yet because we don't want our body temperature to change like that. So yeah, we about to get ready to eat chicken, sweet peas, broiled chicken, and mac and cheese.
Oh my gosh, I got a notification saying rain.
That's it. Really? It's kind of late for that, huh?
Yeah.
Hey Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven here. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!